Who would you back in a game of Russian roulette? Your subby trying to avoid tax, or the ATO? Hi, I'm Chris from Empower Accounting, and it's my goal to help business owners like you avoid fines and penalties from the ATO. If you employ contractors in your business, there can be a fine line between them being an actual contractor or an employee for tax and super purposes. Just because your contractor invoices you with an ABN or only does short-term work, it does not automatically make them a contractor. The cost to get this wrong could cost your business thousands. While there can be grey areas around being a contractor or an employee, generally contractors will be running their own business and they take on commercial risk. Whereas employees can't delegate the work, they are paid for the time worked or a commission, your business provides most of the tools or pays them an allowance, and your business directs the person on how they work. Apprentices, trainees, labourers, trades assistants will always be employees in the ATO's eyes, regardless of how you pay them. If you are unsure and want peace of mind, I highly recommend jumping on the ATO website and filling out their decision tool. If you complete this and keep a record of the answers, the ATO will be a lot happier with you if something does happen down the track. The penalties to get this wrong are huge. You'll be liable to pay pay-as-you-go penalties and super guarantee charge. I've done a whole video on this alone, and trust me, this is not a path you want to go down. So just because your mate down the pub says he has his own business, it doesn't mean the ATO agrees with him. Jump onto the ATO website and give yourself peace of mind. Thanks for watching, and feel free to give it a like if you found this info worthwhile.